Guys, let's make some aloe vera gel from scratch. You can use this for your hair and for your skin. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. So first of all, you need to get the plant ready. You know, aloe vera gel is a plant, and I always call it a cash crop because there are so many things that you can use this plant for. You can use it as a gel, you can use it as an oil, you can use it even for consumption. You can use it for your hair, you can use it for your skin. So aloe vera is a type of crop that I feel is very, very, very important. So when you get the plants from the roots and then from the soil, you cut them from the main stem and then soak them into water. It's important to soak them into water in order to get rid of the toxins in the aloe vera. It is a bit yellowish and it's not good, so you have to get rid of them. When you are done, you cut off the sharp edges of the aloe vera so that you can have access to remove the first layer of the skin and then have access to the gel like what you see me doing in this video. Aloe vera can be used to calm itchy scalp. Like if you have itchy scalp due to dandruff, aloe vera is a perfect condition, like a perfect treatment for your scalp. Aloe vera can also be used to clean oily hair. If your hair is very, very oily, you can use the gel to deep clean the oil. Aloe vera gel also promotes hair growth, and it also strengthens and repairs hair strands. So aloe vera is like so many benefits for the hair. Using the gel consistently on your hair can really make your hair manageable and soft. That's how come it is highly recommended. It's a natural treatment. You can even use the skin as a powder, which I'll do a video in another video, how to use the skin as aloe vera powder. So once you carefully remove all the gel out of it, you now take it straight into the next stage, that is the blending stage. The blending stage is very, very important. If you don't blend it, you really have a lot of residue in your hair, so it's very important to blend your aloe vera gel. When you blend it, it's going to be very, very smooth and watery. You may think that your gel has turned into water, but it hasn't turned into water. It is still a gel. At this point, you can decide to sieve it if you want, but then I blended it so well that there was no need for me to sieve it. So now this is my aloe vera. The best way to store it for it to last very long is to keep it in the freezer so that when you want to use, you can just take it out and then use. So I pour everything in a glass so that it's clear for you to see, and then get my ice cubes tray and then transfer all this gel into the tray and then pop it up into the freezer. Once everything freezes, I transfer that stuff into a rubber and use it as and when I want. So this is where the video ends. If you learned something from this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.